Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing the right backup approach. This determines speed and recoverability. First, sign in and check storage so you know if you need more space. Once done, decide. Drive for Desktop gives continuous sync, while Google Takeout creates a one-time archive you can store offsite. Make sure your local destination, external drive or NAS, has at least 20% free space. Now install Drive for Desktop or Open Takeout. We'll move immediately into configuring the chosen path. Now configure the detailed options that control how files move and how often. If you pick Drive for Desktop, choose Mirror Files for full local copies or Stream files to save space, then select specific folders to sync. Selective sync reduces transfer time. If using Google Takeout, select Drive, pick Export Formats, and choose Archive Type and Max Size to split large archives. Make sure to set bandwidth limits and enable encryption if available. These choices balance speed against storage and finish by validating and automating your backup so it survives human error. You should spot-check several files and folders to confirm sizes and timestamps match. This proves the copy is complete. Then enable Drive for Desktop to start at login or create a recurring calendar reminder to run takeout exports. If something fails, check for sync conflicts or quota errors, clear the app cache, and confirm two-step authentication hasn't blocked access. That one troubleshooting step fixes most interrupted backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.